Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Indian Navy is doing all possible things to boost its presence and the power in the oceanic region. Sometime back, the contract of building 6 diesel electric submarines under the Project 75I was cleared, and the work on the same is yet to get started. Now we have another update regarding the same Indian Navy. As per the defense sources, it looks like the keel laying of the first anti submarine warfare shallow water craft corvette happened at the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers in Kolkata. The keel laying happened virtually, and this was done by the Vice Chief of the Indian Navy. So, what actually is keel laying? Laying the keel or keel laying is a formal recognition of the start of a ship's construction. It is often marked with a ceremony attended by the dignitaries from the shipbuilding company and the ultimate owners of the ship. I'm not sure how many of us are aware of the 16 anti submarine warfare shallow water craft corvettes which have been planned to be built for Indian Navy. Let me give a quick recap of the deal or the contract. In December 2013, Defense Acquisition Council of the Indian Ministry of Defense approved the manufacturing of 16 shallow water anti submarine vessels. These 16 ships would be manufactured by both Cochin Shipyard and Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. 8 corvettes would be built by Cochin Shipyard, and the remaining 8 of them would be built by the Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. The approximate cost of this project is said to be around 13,440 crores, or it is 1.9 billion US dollars. The main intention to build these corvettes is to replace the Russian-built Abay class corvettes which was commissioned between 1989 and 1991. Abay class corvettes have 4 ships in it, and they are the INS Abay, the INS Ajay, INS Akshay and INS Agre. Out of these 4 ships, only 3 of them are active right now. So let's hope the keel laying for the remaining 15 corvettes also happens at the earliest, and Indian Navy commissions these anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft corvettes at the earliest. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.